Welcome to HSE Power Systems. Introducing our 100 kilowatt, 125 kV silent diesel generator, powered by the dependable Dongfeng Cummins 6BTA, a 5.9G12 engine, designed for reliable, standby and prime power applications. This generator delivers outstanding performance, fuel efficiency and long-term durability. At the heart of the generator is the intelligent Smart Gen control system, providing real-time monitoring of voltage, frequency, engine speed, operating hours, alarms, and protection functions. The user-friendly interface makes operation simple while ensuring maximum safety and reliability. Power comes from the Renault 1 Dongfeng Cummins 6BTA, a 5.9G12 diesel engine. This 6-cylinder inline, 4-stroke engine features turbocharging and aftercooling technology to deliver 100 kilowatts of prime power with excellent fuel economy, operating at 1,500 revolutions per minute and 50 Hz. It provides smooth, stable, and dependable performance for continuous operation. The generator is equipped with a reliable 24-volt DC electric starting system, supported by high-quality maintenance-free batteries for fast and dependable engine starting, even in demanding working conditions. The heavy-duty soundproof canopy is manufactured from galvanized steel and finished with durable powder coating. High-density acoustic insulation keeps operating noise between 68 and 72 decibels at a distance of 7 meters, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments. Every HSE generator is manufactured under strict quality standards and thoroughly tested before delivery. Whether you need a single generator or multiple units for large-scale projects, we provide consistent quality, reliable performance, and dependable power solutions. Inside the enclosure, maintenance is quick and convenient, thanks to the spacious service doors. The generator features a brushless alternator with 100% copper windings, automatic voltage regulation, Class H insulation, and IP23 protection, ensuring stable electrical output and excellent durability. The HSE 125 kV silent diesel generator is an ideal solution for industrial facilities, commercial buildings, hospitals, hotels, construction sites, telecom stations, and backup power applications. If you are looking for reliable power backed by professional manufacturing and global support, HSE is your trusted partner. Contact us today to learn more about our complete range of diesel generator solutions.